So just as a response to John, my friend John has asked me to measure the pins on the battery connector of an OPENSPOT 3. So there you are, measure the pins, watch the rest of the video. So here we've got the back of an OPENSPOT 3, and someone asked me to measure the pins because they want to try and make their own battery. Now the battery, as you can see, is 3.7 volts, 1200 milliamps. And these are about £50 from Shark RF. Now, if you want to get your own battery, I'm sure you could, you are going to need to get it correct regarding how it's soldered here. I've seen these batteries available. So there's a close-up there, if that helps you at all. But the other thing is, see the connector. The connector has this special sort of push-in. Let's just try and get a focus here. It's quite hard to get a focus. Push-in pins. I'm going to turn it round the other way and then try and get a focus and line it up with the millimeters, which is quite hard to do. Can you see that? So are they about 1 millimeter apart each? I would say I'll try and get it even closer. So there you go. I'd say they're about, trying to keep still here, 1 millimeter apart. So you decide what you think. I'll just have another zoom in. Quite hard to do this one-handed. See what I mean? What I'll do, I'll add a photograph as well to the video. Just pause it in the photograph.